Hi there, Melody from WTI.
Let me tell you all about this gorgeous lift-top round coffee table from BEROXII. It is just the finishing touch in my living room. The manual and all the parts that were included made it easy to put together. I love how the fluted edges just add a touch of sophistication to this table. I love the sliding doors with all the different little compartments. So you close one side and guess what? The other one opens. So lots of room for you to put all sorts of things. The little compartments actually can hold up to 33 pounds and the table itself can hold up to 110 pounds. So it is very, very sturdy. This table is definitely designed to be safe, practical, and stylish all at once. The tabletop is scratch resistant, very sturdy, and spills are a breeze to clean up, which is also important. I did say this was a lift top, and it certainly is. It looks so beautiful. I love how it was so well put together with the soft close hinges. So if you somehow suddenly drop the lid, it's not going to hurt any little hands that it might be about. All sorts of room in there to put games, blankets, snacks even. And coming in different colors, this coffee table is going to fit any decor. It's going to fit small spaces as well as big spaces. I can almost guarantee you that this is going to be a cherished piece of furniture in your family home for a very, very long time.
And that's my point of view.